I'm videoing. One's jump roping and one's doing the video. One's doing... Get out of the... Move aside so she can do her... I got you both.
Ready, Mima?
Yeah, I'm ready. Go. Woohoo!
No, wait, that wasn't it. I need to step on it to untangle it. Take a video of me doing
I am. I've been getting you on video. Silly.
Mima.
You guys are silly.
Mima.
Yay!
And...
Go ahead, hula hoop.
I'm not sure it would be easy. Mima, I'm not sure it would be easy, Mima.
Oh, very good, Cody.
I should do it first.
Can you?
Watch. I can do it.
Practice. You couldn't jump rope once either, but now you can.
Watch.
You-
Where's mine? It's inside.
On the couch.
Mima.
Don't slam the door open.
Mima. Mima. Mima.
What?
Look. Mima. Okay.
I'm watching.
Take a video of me.
Ooh.
Wait. One jump forward and the other one super.
Yay!
Can you do it 4 times? The super sucks. I can do that many. I can do 5, I think. Or 10.
Just keep practicing, you'll get it.
Take a video of me doing that.
I've been taking a video of you doing that. Funny girl. Be careful now with that thing so don't hit the door.